talking
Letty,
shit
you
for
are a
weeks.
fake coward snake. You cannot run from hog rage. Go Sylvia, get her.
Like, that's all that... You want to smile about that shit?
That's what you gotta do. Like, you gotta smile about it.
All of a sudden you start smiling instead of crying?
Sylvia is super big wet burrito. Mad. Apologize to Letty Piggy
Sylvia.
Piggy Oink Oink.
You're letting them provoke you.
I know, that's the point of the fucking game.
Screen fight time for
They
another
pay for
video
this
pitch.
shit, so they want to see you fucking argue.
Sylvia
When I called
is
your ass
taking the
over
mentally
here.
disabled challenge
Thought
to
you
another
wanted to
level
talk.
of
You said
respect.
you wanted to
I
talk
do.
about arguing.
She signed up for this. She signed up for this. She signed up
What
for
do you
this.
wanna say to
J.
Why the fuck are you even here, bro? Because your psychic said you should be here? You didn't want to be here in the
Just
first
hiding in the
place.
room until the sharks kicked you out. Oink.
Yeah, exactly. You don't need the money.
Yeah, dude.
What are you going to do with the money?
I don't wanna reveal that.
Yeah, and you didn't tip fucking
They
Camino,
say
so
you
you don't
can't
know
put
shit.
makeup on a pig,
What?
but you tried anyway.
I
Goth
talked to
hog,
him.
goth hog.
About what?
About, like, my life.
You didn't even
and
talk
what I'm
about
gonna
him
do
about
with it.
savings or nothing, bro. You're not going to do shit with his money.
Okay.
And that's honestly, like, sad. They don't want to give this shit to you because they're not going to do shit with it.
Yeah. I mean, you can
What are you
make
gonna
and say
do?
what you want.
What are you going to do?
You're trying to get an answer out of me so you can talk shit to me.
Because they didn't get an answer out of you. They're confused. They don't know what the fuck you're going to do with this money, so they don't want to give that shit to you.
Sylvia
I
Cells
did
versus
say that.
Letty Chuz in the TTS. Right now, you all signed up for this.
What?
I told him what I was going to do with
What are you going to do?
I don't have to tell you. You're just trying to argue with me right now.
Because I asked you, are you going to do savings? Oh,
Sylvia
savings don't
really
fucking
just turned
mind.
into a single mom
say
on
that.
welfare. No more lotto tickets, L.
Oh, because I dated a black guy in 2018? Fucking kiss my fat ass, bro. Go ahead. No, not that, bro. I don't want that
Sheesh,
shit.
give that piglet some slop.
Oh, you
Sylvia,
told me
favorite
to.
rapper is
No,
Fat
I didn't
Joe
ask you
Meatbag.
to.
You said
So
kiss
what
my
the fuck
fat
are you
ass.
going to do with the money?
Sylvia, calm down.
I'm totally calm. I've been asking this shit for days. Like with other people. I've honestly...
Sylvia, just taking it out on others. You suck pig. Shut up, please.
Bro, I've been doing this shit since day one. This is a fucking game. Get used to it.
I said before that if I had the money, well,
Sylvia lost all goodwill. She had Letty made new fans. Sylvia is fat, 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 fat.
Kiss my ass, bro. That's all you gotta say about me. You don't have anything else to say about me.
the lantern's going away. I mean, I have to go to bed.
So you don't have to
Letty,
say
don't let the
shit?
hog bully. You stay strong. We are rooting for
I
you.
don't really feel like arguing right now.
It's not arguing. It was a fucking question. We're all wondering what you're gonna do with the money if you win.
Oh shoot.
Exactly, bro.
Oink, Sylvia, the louder you yell, the more we want you gone. Oink, oink, snort, oink. Sylvia, people want to hear from you less than they want to see you.
Then get me the fuck out of here. Like, you can't say, like, one thing you're gonna do with the money, bro. Like, at least one thing.
Yeah, I said that I was gonna either invest it in stuff, which I would probably
Y'all fighting over money. You are not going to win.
or use it to start my own brand. And obviously, give some to my family. Oh, and I also said like that either that or I would use it to pay college tuition. 'Cause I wanna
Lance,
be
this is the
free.
voice of Allah. The tents have demons. You must destroy them.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Lance.
Oh
Like, I'm not trying to be harsh, but the viewers want to know what we're gonna do with the money if we win.
I just told you. I just told you what I was going to do with the money. Because I'm thinking about either going to school, like university, or starting my own brand straight up. So those were the two choices for me if I win the money. And I'm probably going to do those two anyway, even if I don't win it, but it would definitely help a lot with both of them.
man. This is recording a hit right
Fuck it
now.
up.
God.
Yeah, I don't know. I
Hey,
heard
let's take the buns off.
Smoke up, man.
Oh, I feel like I'm 19 again.
you got it.
Ooh, there you go.
Honestly, this is what I needed.
What about this thing? Put it on what? Whoa. I got it too. Whoa. I'm just kidding. Hey, somebody's smoking on my burger. Get that out of here.
I fuck with you, but like this is the game, you know?
Yeah, I think.
Like,
No, like I fuck with you too.
like I don't want you to have like any like. This is a fucking game.
Yeah, I get it.
And a little cigarette antics.
Yeah. Sylvia, we gotta make up by like
I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. I don't want to make out with you.
What do you mean? That's what you were just doing.
You burn that long.
You're like,
So I was always usually typically smoking like Newports and Camel Crush.
friendships end over this shit because it takes so long to burn.
I used to smoke dark blues. I used to smoke dark blue American spirits.
Oh my god, the Camel Crushes with
Because
the little
that's
balls
what Kurt
on it.
Cobain smoked the dark blue spirits. And I smoked with Nirvana pretty
They
heavy
stopped
when I was in
selling
high
that
school
shit
and
in
college.
California.
Yeah. But then
They
I...
replaced it with like
Yellows are like mixed nuts.
weird blues. Like,
Oh, yeah. They put me onto the yellows. They would always say that I was smoking like my first time, but it was just because I was smoking these fucking yellow spirits.
Yeah.
And they would bully me and it made me feel bad.
Right. Well, they're gonna bully you if you smoke spirits no matter what.
Yeah, facts.
people are gonna just say shit no matter what.
They're just gonna, yeah.
Like no matter
I
what
feel
you
like
do,
a
they'll
big
find
house
something to
sometimes.
fucking hate you for doing.
Yeah, I put the tobacco in my grinder and then the weed and shit. And I'll roll that up inside out.
Oh yeah, like a split.
Yeah, whatever that shit's called.
Oh man.
You ever smoke Gravo? I've always been too pussy for Gravo, to be honest.
Yeah, I started using that on my on my squishy.
Alright guys. Good night. Yeah, you too.
Yeah, fuck that girl.
Yo, hands, bro.
Yeah.
If you're with another bun, I'll make one, but can I get a bite of it?
A bite of the hot dog?
Yeah.
Burger thing? Yeah, sure.
I mean, there's still like my burger in the fridge.
I already ate that.
Oh, true. That